Hello friends! Today I want to show you one more amazing unit from Mitsubishi, from Climaveneta. So this is air-cooled chiller, 630 kilowatts capacity, works on refrigerant R454B. So it has microchannel condenser and special construction for the additional cooling, additional efficiently for the condenser. So we have one main condenser and one more additional. It gives more efficient. So also here installed 6 scroll Danfoss compressors, one shell and tube heat exchanger. The unit is totally new, and let's go to see inside in a box. It still has a smell of a new unit, like a new car. So you can look inside and see that everything is amazing here. So one more again, come to us, and we will test this unit before you will buy. We will put in a controller all parameters that you needable, all these temperature sets or other things that needable for your production. See you, bye bye.